Yes, sir. Wow, it's so good. You know, I just want to share. We know, konti lang yung oras natin. But I just want to share. Dati audience lang po ako. Now I'm here performing in front of you. So that only shows when you dream big, you should dream bigger. Maraming salamat po. Once again, I am Sofronio Vasquez, and recently I won The Voice Season 26 because of all your support. And so I am inviting everyone. I have a concert July 19 at the Town Hall here in New York City. I hope you grab your tickets. And now it is the right time to sing the song, one of the songs that I did in The Voice. It's called Unstoppable. Come on. All smiles, all it takes to fool this town. Do it till the sun goes down, all through the nighttime. Yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. I put my armor on, show you what's wrong, my end. I put my armor on, show you that I am. Come on, I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no wings. I'm invincible, and I win every single game. I'm so powerful, I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident.
Hey, sit down!
I'm unstoppable, yeah. Break down, only alone I'll cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding out deep down, yeah. I know I'd rather to let you feel so. It's the only way to make friendships go. I'm too afraid now. I put my armor on, show you what's wrong, right? I put my armor on, show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a person with no grace. I'm invincible, and I win every single game. I'm so powerful, I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident, I'm unstoppable, yeah. Whoa. I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. Put my armor on, show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. Come on. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. I win every single game. I'm so powerful, I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident, I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Thank you so much, and I'm bringing back the Concert King, Mark Inevent.
Sofronio, let's hear it! Ang galing mo, man!
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At mga kapolitika, usapang Sofronio Vasquez na naman po tayo sa vlog na ito. At ating pag-uusapan yung kanyang live performance dito sa New York City. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At sa vlog na ito ay pag-uusapan po natin itong live performance ni Sofronio dito sa New York City para sa 127th Independence Day. So nakita natin mga kapolitika yung mga OFW or mga Pinoy dito sa New York na kung saan is nakipag-celebrate dito sa araw ng kalayaan para sa Pilipinas. Okay, at hindi po magpapahuli dyan itong ating kabayan na The Voice Season 26 winner na si Sofronio Vasquez. At kasama niya po dito na nag-perform rin itong si Martin Rivera. So inawit niya po itong awitin na Next in Line at meron pa po siyang ibang inawit. So hindi po natin maipi-play ng buo dito yung ibang awitin dahil meron pong copyright, pero meron pong link sa baba. So i-click nyo na lang po para mapanood nyo yung ibang mga inawit ni Sofronio Vasquez dito sa New York. So aside from this is nagkaroon rin po ng promotion itong si Sofronio para sa kanyang concert dito sa New York sa Town Hall at the same time sa Utica. Okay, so makakasama niya dito yung iba't ibang mga artista at yung ganun din po yung mga kasamahan niya dito sa The Voice USA Season 26. So kung sino pa po ang hindi nakakuha ng ticket or nakabook ng ticket ay pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa website ng Ticketmaster. Samantala, narito naman po nakita po natin na tuwang-tuwa rin po ang ating mga kabayan na nakihalubilo dito kay Sofronio Vasquez at sila ay proud na isang Pinoy ang nanalo dito sa The Voice USA Season 26.
All smiles know what it takes to fool this town. Do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. You listen to glasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time.
Ako kanina na ko ba siya gid?
I put my
August ba? Something.
Sa fiesta rin, di ba?
Kakatasan ako doon pero nasa Hawaii ako SB19.
Sayang, every single day I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to pray. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable. Break down, the only alone I will cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding now. I know deep down. I know I'd rather take that you finish off. It's the only way to make friendships go. I'm so afraid now. Show you who I am. I put my arm on. Show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a pusher with no wings. I'm invincible. And powerful. I don't need a reason. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today. Oh, I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. Put my armor on, show you that I am. No face, I'm invincible. Yeah, with everything I feel, I'm so powerful. And the sound of the rain, healing smile with no pain. Slowly, slowly try to be insane. I'm going down. My whole world upside down. Oh, I'd like to say goodbye. Look what you've done to me. I can stop the seeds from falling.
Teka, teka.
Big hit for Sydney from Team Glenn. What an incredible season. Well, we should congratulate Michael Bublé, whose two artists are here, and the moment we've all been waiting for. Shy and Sophronio, one of you is The Voice. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of The Voice is...
Dali ba? Picture, picture. Anak niya kung magaris. Aman! Masarap na pala.
The home of the future, as his coach just said moments ago. Congratulations. Thank you to our coaches. Most importantly, thank you to all of you for watching. We're going to see you in the spring, by the way. Another great voice.
Stop!
All smiles, no one takes you for this time. Breathe till the sun goes down, and all for the night time. Oh yeah, yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Need my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. I put my arm around you, I put my arm around you, show you that I and now we never should I'm so powerful.
Jadi itu gate dari kan, bobo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sophronia Vasquez! The first Filipino to win every season. The Voice Season 26 will be featured guests on ABS, CBS, Flow 31. Yeah, they are seeing today. This marks a historic moment for the Filipino community as Sophronia's victory represents American television history. Known for his powerful performance and heartfelt renditions, Sophronia has captivated audiences both in the U.S. and in the Philippines.
He's going to be here in New York for this concert July 19th at Town Hall. Make sure you
All smiles, no one takes you for this time. Breathe till the sun goes down, and all for the night time.
Masa ka tulungan ti?
Oh yeah, yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Need my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. I put my arm around you, so I am. I put my arm around, show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a person with no limits. I'm invincible. And now we never single day. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable. Only alone, I'll put my now. You will never see what's happening now. I'll be behind. I'd rather think that you feel sure. It's the only way to make friendships grow. I'm so I'm invincible.